Hi friends, we have seen the proxies that we use it for getting and setting of the properties for an object, right? Same like that one for properties. We have the trap for the functions also. So for wrapping, we can write the wrapping trap for these functions also. Let's see simple example. I have one function of log message. Okay, now what it will try to do is it will try to print console.log message is something like that. Message I will try to print. Okay, this is the simple function. Now what I will try to, create a proxy for this method. New proxy, I will try to send log message, and also same thing, handler. Okay, I will try to call proxy, sorry, I will call proxy of message or something like that I will call. Okay, so this is how we can set a proxy for the function. Now we need to implement the handler. For implementing the handler, we will do handler is equal to, and we have a trap for the setting of the proxy for these functions. We have a trap known as apply. So we will be applying this one. So it will have a function, and we need to get the function name, and we will be getting the this argument, and we will be getting the argument list. So these three parameters we will be getting. Now here I will write some condition like if argument list dot length is equal to 1 only, then call that one. So I am calling that one using reflect dot apply. So previous videos we have seen in the reflect how we to call a method using the reflect dot apply, right? So we are calling. So here the same parameters it will take, function name, this argument, and the argument list. Okay, the same arguments what the proxies apply will take, reflect apply will also will take the same parameters. Like this I will apply. Now we will try to check the output. If I try to check the output, I am getting log message is message. So proxy of message, so it is calling the function through the apply. We are sending only one argument, right? So that is the reason it is calling the function. If I try to send more than one function, more than one argument, now let's see the output. What could be the output? Here we are not able to display any output. Okay, so we are not displaying any output here. So that means the arguments we are sending is more than one. Here the condition got failed, and that is the reason we are not getting any output. So this is how we can apply proxy trap for the function also. Before executing this function, we can go here and apply the trap for this one, apply trap for this function, so that before going into that function you can use this method to execute before the executing of the function. So these all things you can where it can be used means that depends on your creativity and all those things. So if you have a such a requirement to fulfill this type of scenarios, you will be it would be very helpful. Other than that, you can write normal procedures and all those things, normal code how you will be writing you can write, but the proxies will be very useful to add in between the layer for any functions or getting the property or setting the property. You can add, you can apply this same handler to any type of functions. So you can't think that this trap is applied for only this function only. So this trap will be applied to any function. So tomorrow if you have any other functions like this, so you have another functions like this, you can use this new proxy and you can add this function for this one also. So like this you can add any number of this type of any number of functions, this type of trap, same trap you can apply for any number of functions. So this is how we can use the apply trap for this function proxy. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comment below this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.